Hey everyone, big news! We finally did it, the channel got monetized. I don't think I'm gonna get rich making videos, but I wanted to give back to my community. And I wanted to do something special to celebrate what we've done on the channel together. So here's the deal. I'm gonna tune up this Trek 220 and donate it to the Community Bike Project of Omaha. I'll also donate $1 for every single combined watch, like, and comment on this video. So the more you engage, the more money we'll donate. To make this clear, every time someone watches, plus likes, plus comments, all three actions together, I'll donate $1 to the Community Bike Project of Omaha. Stop what you're doing, hit that like button, and make a comment. At the end of 1 week, I'll tally up the donations and show you exactly how much we raised together for the Community Bike Project of Omaha. Let's do this! Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for the update video next week. Sit back, relax, and watch me tune up this bike for the Community Bike Project of Omaha. As you can see, the bike is full of cobwebs and doesn't shift correctly. But other than that, the bike is in excellent condition and a complete teardown is not warranted for this project. We'll get started by removing the wheels. During this part of the tune-up, I ran into some troubles getting the bike to shift correctly. No matter what I did, I couldn't get the chain to drop into the smallest cog. I tried adjusting the limit screws and removing all of the tension from the shifter cable, but without any luck. I removed the chain. While it was off, I gave it a good cleaning in the ultrasonic cleaner. I broke out the derailleur hanger alignment tool to check the hanger alignment. It was way off. After a few tweaks, I put the chain back on and the bike shifted correctly. The rear brakes needed a bit of tweaking. After adjusting the left side tension, I pumped up the tires. To my surprise, I found the brake pad on the left-hand side smushed firmly into the side of the tire. After a bit of adjustment, the rear brakes were as good as new. After a quick adjustment of the front brakes and pumping up the front tire, we have completed the tune-up. If you made it this far, thank you. And remember to like and comment for a $1 donation to the Community Bike Project of Omaha.